Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you a really cool A minor alternative open chord. Now, this is what it looks like and sounds like. Now, the first thing we'll do is we'll play that open E on the 6th string. Then we'll play that open A on the 5th string. Then we'll place our middle finger on the 4th string on the 10th fret and play that C. Then we'll place our index finger on the 3rd string, 9th fret, and play that E. We'll place our ring finger on the 2nd string, 10th fret, and play that A. Then that 1st string, we're going to play open. And when you put them all together, it sounds and looks like this. Again, that's a really cool alternative A minor open chord. Hope you enjoy the video. Keep on jamming.